Oh, what? Wow. Wow. On 2 contracts? Nice. All right, man. And Nasdaq is on one tonight. It's bullshit, man. Apex account passed. I got 2 Apex PA accounts. All right, so I'm done with Apex. I had the revenge trade. Man. Man, the Nasdaq just did me so fucking dirty just now. The Nasdaq did me so dirty. She literally missed. I had a limit sitting right here. She missed me by 2 points, man, and then shot up 160 points. Damn. Yo, today, the NQ has been on one today. She's just been pissing me off. She's definitely been on one today. Sitting there missing my target. First I was in down here. She comes back and stops me out and does this shit. So I'm like, all right, cool. I get in, set my limit. She misses it by a tick on purpose, the fucking bitch. And then she does this. So when I'm heavy, I'm revenge traded. And gain weight we trust. Thank you, gain weight. Man, I hate this pump, man. I'm supposed to be a part of this pump. I'm supposed to be a part of it. The Nasdaq just made sure that I wasn't. And you know what, man? Man, I hate this pump, man. It's not, dude. It's not fair, man. Dude, that's not even fair. Like, that's seriously not even fair, man. That is not fair. Man, this pump pissed me off, man. I got the holes on their toes. I'll make sure I canceled all these orders. Because like I said, I'll trade these Apex accounts. I just won't buy any new ones. You know, honestly, so I probably won't buy any more rhythmic Apex accounts. You know what, Alfred? I'm not gonna lie. The executing on the trade of 8 charts, I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually starting to like it. I mean, I wouldn't necessarily trade. I wouldn't you know 100% do anything on trade of 8, but I definitely do enjoy trading or executing on trade of 8. And just looking at the charts on Ninja Trader 8. Yeah, I'm starting to. I'm like, dude, I'm starting to realize that, yo, uh, well, I mean, I only just started, so maybe it's only giving me a preferential treatment. But it seems like it fills my orders. This thing will fill my order. If it touches my limit, it will fill it, and that's what I enjoy. No matter how volatile it is, it's gonna fill my limit. Like if it just runs through my limit, it will fill that damn thing, and I like that. You said it's not web based, huh? Yeah, I mean, Quantower, I mean, it's straight. I just hated that I needed a rocket science degree just to figure that damn thing out. I hated that. And it seems like, I mean, we can kind of get a drop right here. That would be awesome. If this thing would just continue down, that would be awesome. Mm. What the fuck? Mhm. You said Quantower is godly? Mm. Well, gain weight, you know we getting a pullback. I mean, you know the pullback coming. I mean, shit, this is the pullback. I mean, this shit ran straight up into resistance right here. We getting a pullback. Man, I feel like if I do that shit, she's gonna piss me off, man. All right, so shit, with the market, I mean, is the market gonna drop here, or is it just gonna find support here? That's the question. It would be nice if they didn't find support here. It would be nice if they would just finish the move down, instead of popping back up. That would be nice. Yeah, it seems like this is gonna be my story tonight. I've been positive in so many accounts, and then hit daily loss limit because I didn't take no. Oh my god, dude! Seriously, seriously. Hmm. Seriously. The Nasdaq just has been snatching accounts away from me tonight. She's just been snatching accounts away from me tonight. Don't know why I come and trade in fucking Asia when I know I blow accounts in Asia or I hit daily loss limit in Asia. Nice, nice. Daily loss limit in another account. That's two accounts I hit daily loss limit in. Well, so all right, you know, like I said, I hate the fact that, man, dude, I don't know sometimes, man. Like when I sit back and think about like the small little things, I like sometimes I ask myself, how do I get caught up in some of this stuff? Like how? How do I get caught up in this? How do I get caught up in this? Like seriously. What are you talking about, game weight? No, I'm just trading the price action. I mean, I don't care what direction it goes in. Just trading the price action. Apparently, I learned my lesson yet either. This thing is doing this just to spite me, I feel. Mm, damn. Damn. If I stuck to the plan, I would have. Damn. I guess that's my fault trying to be cute, huh? I guess that's my fault trying to be cute, huh? Mm. I mean, at this point, I'm just kind of tired of it. Honestly, I'm just kind of tired of it. I'm just kind of tired of it. Just kind of tired of it. It's like the small little things, man. Like the Nasdaq, like earlier today, or well, not earlier during the stream, but before the market opened, I saw a long opportunity. Man, this thing went long, and then well, I mean, I got this long. I caught this long, but then I got long back right here, and I got long right here when I saw price was, a little head and shoulders pattern. And I'm thinking that, okay, the market is going to probably, shoot up. And this thing comes back up and stops me out and then shoots up. And I was up about 90 points at the time and hit daily loss limit. And it's like, I don't know. I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know how I find myself in situations like that. I really don't. I mean, yeah, I don't take profits sometimes, but shit, damn it, do what I want. Go to the target where I want you to go, damn it. And dude, like this week, man, this week has been very, man. Again, if either you hit daily loss limit today, you blew your account or you made money today, man. The numbers today's numbers are crazy. I mean, we started the session off with a 713 point move to the upside. That's absolutely crazy. 700 points in the pre-market. In the pre-market. April 8th, bearish trend. Oh, bear trend. We started off with a 713-point move to the upside. And then price sold off 1,385 points today to the downside. Crazy. Crazy. I mean, I was not as, I mean, yesterday we had 1,000-point move to the upside, an 800-point move to the downside, or my bad. Hold on. We had 1,000-point move to the downside. I got to color code this right. Or, mm, yeah. So we had a 1,000-point move to the downside, an 800-point move to the upside, about a 580-point move to the downside, a 1,600-point move to the upside, almost 1,700 basically, and then price traded in a 650-point range going into the close of yesterday's session. The Nasdaq is moving this week, moving, and boy, no, that top set, yeah, that shit, I blew that shit. Yeah, that shit gone. That's them top step counts gone. I don't know how. Like, dude, I don't know how. I mean, well, I'm not taking profits or nothing, but I really don't know how. Sometimes, like, I get in good areas, I see the reaction I want to see from these areas. They don't go where I want them to go, but for whatever reason, they come all the way back and stop me out. Like, what the hell is up with that? Updated time. Game wait, don't hit me with my line. Don't hit me with my line, game wait. Don't hit me with my line. It's your account. Don't hit me with my line. Uh, man, man, obviously I'll get one more account for tomorrow, but I mean, I'm gonna have to kind of trade that one differently, I guess. You know, I was talking to Smith, and it's interesting that we can go through the same thing at the same time, and we don't be talking to each other. We just do it. It's crazy. It's like at the end of the day, it's like, man, I just did this, and it's like, yo, that's crazy. I did the same stupid shit too. Why the hell did we do that? But we was talking about what is it about the Asian session that every time it opens, we find ourselves behind our desk, even though the Asia session has taken so many accounts. It has taken the lives of so many accounts. And this shit hit perfectly and dump. Mm. 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 But shit, lately, I mean, the Asian session for whatever reason, it's been really good though. I mean, if you came out the market, you came into the market short. I mean, you got paid. And you definitely got paid if you came into the market short today. Mm. Alfred, I did watch that video though. That was funny. I was mad, and then that video did make me laugh. That shit was funny. That shit was funny. I ain't gonna lie. That was hilarious. And this is what it was from this morning stream. This shit was hilarious though. I ain't gonna lie. This shit was hilarious. Oh shit! No! Oh shit! No! And that's what I keep doing to myself, man. I don't know why. Look how much I'm up. Why do I keep doing this? Like, dude, I should have took it at that fucking high, man. Look at, like, my target is all the way up here. I should have took it at this, like, I should have took it at the high. I was beating myself up all day because of that, man. I was beating myself up all day because of that. I mean, that is blasphemous. I mean, if it didn't hit my target, that shit is blasphemous. But I need to start putting my targets in areas where the market is going to reject. I don't even know why I had it that. I mean, it could have kept going. I mean, shit, it could have kept going, but man, I should have known better because it was retesting that high from yesterday, and we had that big drop. So of course there's going to be people taking profits and selling at that area. I just thought that maybe the Nasdaq could have kept on going. If I took profits, it would have kept going. If I took profits, she would have been like, "Oh, Sherm's out. Let me keep on going then." Oh shit! No! Yeah, that was funny though. Nah, that was funny. That was hilarious. Anyway. Yeah, Logan, I stream every day. Streaming is basically my life now. It's basically my life. I told Smith, I was like, yeah, hanging out with your family is cool, but shit, there's no better feeling than dominating the NQ and being on the right side of her, catching these points. There's cocaine, heroin, insert your favorite drug here, and then there's the Nasdaq and catching points on her. There's no high better than that. There's no low lower than that either, too. There's no low lower than when the Nasdaq stops you out and then goes in your direction. I don't know why, but that's like the lowest feeling in the world. At least one of them. Makes you feel so damn low. Like, damn, like shit. Well, like what do I do to deserve some shit like that? And you can't do nothing about it either. You got to accept it. That's what's crazy. I mean, revenge trading is like, no, I don't got to accept that shit. But I mean, in reality, you got to accept that's what happened to you. Let me just finish inputting this data before I forget. And oh yeah, so I know I've been saying this like all week, but as I'm learning more and more about Blue Sky, this will be the last accounts that I will ever trade with them. And it's crazy because I love trading with Blue Sky. Actually, I don't want to use that word. I really enjoy trading with Blue Sky. I really did. I really wish that this relationship would have worked out, but unfortunately, it's just not going to. Today, I would have ran them for like 10, 15, 20K. Dude, we shorted the top. We shorted the top. But they have a 5K maximum daily limit. That's why when I came back, once I reached 5,000, that's why my account was closed out. Do you want to know what else is crazy? They have a $5,000 daily limit and they have a 10K weekly limit. So I cannot make no more than 10K per week. What kind of bullshit is that? I understand that at least on their side, they're managing how much money is going out of the company, or at least they're capping how much money is going out of the company. But 10K per week is absolute craziness. We can make 10Ks in literally in one day. I don't know how much money we made yesterday. We made about 15, 20K overall. Overall, we started off the session with a 7K in the Apex account, passed it. Shit, we already up 7K today. Well, I mean, I guess if you count me losing $1,200 on my other account. I mean, we're up by about what, $900, $1,000 in the sim right now. Dude, we do that shit in a day over here. Having a 10K weekly cap, that's crazy. I can't do that. I know Alfred is going to say TPT. I know it. What's up, Logan? So why did I decide to sell here? Well, it's looking like I should have taken the profits. We'll see if this thing keeps if it stays down. We'll see. But the reason why I sold here, I'm gonna turn the chart off. Turn this off. So what I'm looking for is areas where sellers are already there, or at least it's highly likely, it's highly probable that they will step up. When I trade, I look for breaker structures of ranges. That's what I look for. I may not draw it on the chart, but my eyes is already attuned to this type of stuff already. And it seems like if I have too many drawings on my chart for whatever reason, anyway, that doesn't matter. So I mean, if you look right here, let me make sure. So if you look right here, you see that we got this big move down. We got this pop up and then another big move down. We have price coming back, retesting this area. And from that retest, we got this big move down to the downside. And as you can see, price is retesting back into this area. We already know that bears are here because there were enough sellers to knock the market down How many points is that? Let's actually do the math on that. I'm just going to round it to, of course, my phone's dead, of course. All right, so let's just see at the high of that candle, about like 720, 7,200, 17,200. And then we're going to go to the low of day right there, minus 839. So, all right, so there was enough sellers in this area to knock the market down 360 points. There was enough. So when price comes back and retests this area, it's highly likely that unfilled, first and foremost, it's highly likely that the bulls that were a part of this move is going to take profit at these highs or at this range. So obviously, when bulls get out of their position, they're selling. Obviously, it's highly likely that there's unfilled sell limits here. So the bulls and the bears are going to be looking in this area to sell. And that's what I'm betting on right now. That's what I'm betting on. I mean, it's highly likely. I mean, my short is where, I mean, I could take the profits now and be up like what, $1,000 or some shit like that. Yeah, I can take the profit. I mean, I'm profitable. I can take the profits, but I'm just not going to do it. Because it's blasphemous to take profits before price hits your TP. That's blasphemous. But there was enough sellers here, so I mean, I just took the short. And it will be highly unlikely for the bulls to push past this without at least a pullback. At least a pullback. I mean, even if there weren't sellers here, because we had this big move down and we got this big move down, I mean, there was no pullback. The bulls got to come back, and there's going to probably be buy limits somewhere in this area, potentially, maybe, who knows? Who knows? But there's definitely going to be unfilled buy orders in this area. For sure. For sure. Yeah, I usually stream New York Open, and then I come around like 8:40. I try to start at 8:40, but sometimes I start at 9, depending on how cooperative my daughter is being. How cooperative she's being depends on if I start at 8:40 or 9 o'clock. But usually I'll stay on till 10:30ish. No longer than 10:30, because we have to get up in the morning. And I try not to trade an eval during this time, because what I've found is that during the Asia session, I mean, the Asia session does exactly what it's designed to do, and that's collect liquidity. It's a graveyard shift. It's collecting liquidity, and that's all it's doing. It's very deceptive at it as well. It's really good at what it does. What I've noticed is that it will have momentum on the wrong side of the market, and then it will grind in the overall direction. You see, like these pops right here, like these pops were very violent and it was heavy. I mean, I don't know if you were looking at the chart, but if you were a bull when this happened, you probably added to this, and you were probably looking for a retest of this high. And that's what Asia does. A lot of momentum on the wrong side of the market, just for it to kind of grind down. And they get these big bullish pops, grind down. And that's what Asia does. And that's why a lot of people lose their accounts during Asia, because of the deceptive nature of how it moves. It's very deceptive. And I mean, if Trump wasn't throwing tariff this and tariff that. Now, I think the only reason why the pre-market is moving the way that it's moving now is obviously because of Trump and tariffs. and him putting all that I forgot. He said it was like 104% tariff on China, I think. It might have went up, who knows. But the market is always just reacting to that. But if this was just a normal day, we probably wouldn't have gotten this move in the pre-market. This probably would have been London, potentially going into New York. We would have got this kind of move then, but because of all that stuff and all the volatility, we're getting these big moves in the pre-market now too. Mm. Oh, you say you didn't know that was me? Yeah, my trading partner is he's on the bottom. Our boy Smith, they got him. We used to stream daily, but unfortunately they had him go in office. He's in office now. They got him. They got him. He has to go in the office now. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say, I mean, I'm kind of sad about this because I mean, I was in this. I was in this and I don't know why. I mean, if I stuck to my plan, I would have been up $2,200 in my MFF account. I would be up. But because I was trying to be cute and try to rush, well, because here's the thing. I mean, my entry was like 175, I think, and then I had a second entry here at like 96 or something. So not only would I mean I would have went negative, it would have hit my second sell limit and it would have sold off. And once this thing hits my target, it's gonna be bittersweet because I could have been in this, I could have passed the eval, and tomorrow I could have been in a funded account with MFF again. Goes to show, stick with your plan. Stick with your trading plan. Mm. You can pass the starter account on the first day. I don't know. I know the starter plus has a consistency rule. I don't trade the expert account, so I don't know about the expert account. Honestly, I'm not even allowed to even trade the expert accounts anymore. I'm not allowed to trade them. If I reach the live account in MFF again and I blow that account, yeah, they're gonna probably ban me from that prop firm. I won't be able to trade with them anymore. The way that the way that they was talking. But I don't want to be a live trader with anybody anymore. Uh, I've been live. I'm currently live with Blue Sky, and I've been live with MFF, and both experiences were horrible. I hated both. I hated both of them. I just prefer to stay in the sim side, sim funded side. Just get paid out, rinse, repeat, and do that for as long as possible. Man, that's just gonna be bittersweet, man. Man, target. Ah, man, look at that, man. Look at that. Stick to your plan. Stick to your plan. Damn. Damn, that's bittersweet. I would have passed the account. I would have passed the account. Uh, mm, mm, mm. I'm taking my talents to take profit trader. Yeah, Alfred, I'm in the sim right now. I have no more accounts. I have no more accounts. I'm here to announce that I'm taking my talents to take profit trader. Beautiful entry. Beautiful entry. We didn't take that. We barely took any points in drawdown. 175. Hmm. Oh yeah, we didn't get in right there. We got in like right here or something like that at 175. We only took about 20 points in drawdown. 20 points in drawdown. Ah, man. NQ, why are you doing this to me tonight? Why are you doing this to me tonight? Hmm. All right, target field. Wow, even in the sim, yo, she is so nasty, yo. What's up with you? Yo, that is crazy. Y'all see that, right? Y'all see that. She touched it. She didn't feel the damn thing. She is so nasty, man. She is nasty. Let me see. She is so nasty. She's so fucking nasty for that. All right, so the low is that. Yo, yeah, she touched it. She literally touched it in pounds. She is so nasty for that. Hmm. Okay. You know what, NQ, if you want to be a bitch to me, fine. I'm going to my new thing anyway. I'm going to my new thing. Go. I'm going to my new thing. Hmm. In the immortal words of Drake, I got a new ting. I got a new ting going on. Okay. All right. So what's Gold trying to do here? You know what? I'm gonna go long here. I'm gonna go long. Hmm. Hmm. You said gold dragging me under. I wonder if she's gonna try to stop me out. Ugh. I mean, sometimes we'll see, man. We'll see. I mean, I do see that this is a block of resistance right here. This block of liquidity right here, and we could see them knock this thing down. But I mean, it looks like they're establishing support right here. I mean, we got a double bottom. So I necessarily didn't want to trade against that. NQ still playing with me, yo. That's crazy. She's still playing with me. Oh, shit. Okay. All right. All right, baby. I see you. My bad. Shit. 4K. Uh. We still up 100K on that ES trade game. Wait. We still up 100K though. All right. So it looks like our gold trade is working out so far. We'll see if it continues. If we see like a big pop. I mean, the one thing that I like about gold is that structurally it does trade like ES, but man, when she starts to move, man, she moves, man. She is a mover. It gets to the point to where you might be you leave points on the table. Like, look at this big move in the pre-market. Oh, that's crazy. Look at this big move. Like I said, I'm not gonna lie, man. That shit hurts, man. First, the Nasdaq missed me on this move. Then the Nasdaq stops me out and then goes in my direction. Or, I mean, I guess I shouldn't have added. Okay, so I mean, from moving forward, I mean, I just gotta clean up like certain behaviors, man. I mean, I was kind of a stupid add-in, but it just felt right at the time. It was just a stupid add-in. I mean, so like I said, originally I was in at 175, I think. And then I had a second DC. I had a second entry to scale in at 195. And if I just followed that plan, I would be that account would be passed. Uh, I didn't follow that plan. I added to the position, I think right here or like at 125 or something like that. Yeah, I added 125 thinking that it's going to keep going. Obviously, it came back. I hit daily loss limit. I mean, it gave me plenty of opportunities to get out at break even, but I ain't going to do that shit. I should be doing it, but in the moment, I just don't do it. And I paid for it just for it to do exactly what I thought it would do originally. And there she goes. There she goes. Oh, man. Oh, man. What do you mean by that 4K isn't the same? You mean isn't the same as what? Like, what do you mean by that? It's not this like it don't feel the same. Like if you're in a trade, I mean, honestly, I mean, I feel the same. I treat every trade as if it's not in the sim. I'll be more aggressive in the sim. I think that's the only difference is that I'll be more aggressive in the sim. More aggressive than maybe I should be, but I'm still taking the same trades. Yeah, I know. I know. Yeah, what's up, some guy? Honestly, I think what the tariffs goes into effect at 12 o'clock tonight. So obviously, around 12 o'clock before London opens, that's going to probably be 1,000 point move or some shit for. And then we have FOMC minutes coming out tomorrow as well. We have FOMC coming out tomorrow. So the projections, or at least based on the Fed Watch tool, let's actually pull that up so y'all guys know that I'm not talking outside my ass here. But the Fed Watch tool on the Fed's website is interesting, but it's highly unlikely that we get Fed Watch tool. It's highly unlikely that we get a rate cut next meeting, but the meeting after that, we may get a rate cut. I mean, right now is at 50-50 that price is going to stay, or that Powell is going to stay, or we'll get a 25 basis cut uh, on during the May meeting. But look at the Junes. For whatever reason, the market feels that we're going to get a rate cut in June. July, the market feels that we're going to get a rate cut in July. Isn't that interesting? Why does the market believe that we will get a rate cut in the next two meetings? Why? That is a great question. So it's highly unlikely that we get it the next meeting, but June we may get one. July we have a higher chance of getting one. I mean, there's a 2% chance that, or 3% chance that, or let me say this correctly, because even though these are same percentages, you have to say 47.0%. It means something completely different. You have to use that or that terminology. So a 2.7% chance that the Fed won't stay steady and that we will get a rate cut. So we'll see. We will see. I doubt that we'll get a 50 basis point rate cut. I doubt that. This thing is suggesting that yeah, I doubt that we get a 50. I doubt that. I mean, unless Powell is now trying to kiss the ring of the new administration, per se. I mean, unfortunately for Powell, uh, he can only keep his job unless Trump wants him to keep his job. Trump can always appoint somebody new. And so now Powell has to play that game. He can sit there and say that the administration does not have any influence on his decisions, but when it comes time to get reappointed, I'm pretty sure that has a lot of input. He can say no to Trump. He can, but Trump can say no to him when it's time to appoint. I think he's up for reelection next year, actually. And you can stay a Fed chair indefinitely. You just have to continuously be reelected. I think right now Greenspan has the longest run as Fed chair. I mean, at this point, everybody's so familiar with Powell, we will want him to be stay Fed chair as long as he wants to be the Fed chair. I mean, all we know is the Powell pump. I mean, that's all I know. I know nothing else. I don't know it's a Powell pump. We don't. I mean, shit. We don't know what's going to happen if a new Fed chair comes. We don't know if they're going to pump it or not. Power is the devil that we know, and so we want him to stay there. But we'll see. I mean, that's next year. It is. It's not right now, so it's next year. So it don't matter right now. Mm, mm, I don't think so. Mm, mm, mm. You know what? Fuck it, man. Uh, Fuck, I can't. I can't. I can't take that, man. I can't. I can't. Hold on. Give me a second. Yeah, I don't know why, man. I don't know why. Like, what's up with that? Mhm, mhm, I got the yells on their toes. Mm, 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 mm. I mean, does this thing hit? Does it hit VWAP? I mean, it has to hit VWAP, right? All right, let me make sure. Mm, 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 708. Let me make sure that's on the. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Actually, you know what? I'm going short. mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. All right, so let's see. Let's see if we can get this limit filled. Let's see. And I'm also taking this in my eval. So when I trade MFF, obviously because I prefer to trade on NinjaTrader 8, uh, I'll have my P&L showing on the bottom of the screen. But I'm gonna take the trades in NinjaTrader 8. I'm gonna take it in NinjaTrader 8. Even though NinjaTrader 8 has been completely disappointing me as of lately. And I guess I will. I mean, I guess I can. Mm. Yeah, you know what? Hmm. All right, so this is what I'm willing to do here. Either I'm willing to go short right here if price pops back up and taps into this range. Yeah, that's about where that range at. If price comes back up and taps into this area, then I want to go short. If we get a move back down here to about like 990, or I'm my bad, not 990, like 1715 or something like that. Hmm. Actually, no, no, yeah, okay, never mind. Yeah, 990. Yeah, about like right here, like 990 right here. Probably like 975 would probably be a better. So I mean, somewhere in this little area right here, but maybe around like S2 or something like that. If we get price to fall down to S2 before tapping this, which hopefully it taps this and then drops. I prefer to just be in the short and just be done with this. We got 15 minutes to see what happens. You said you said, can you show the P&L? So I'm not in a position right now. If you're talking about my P&L from Tradeovate, uh, it would be so right underneath my screen where it says equity and open P&L. That's where it would be. That's where it would be. All right, so let's see if we can get this thing to pop before it drops. Hopefully it pops, man. Like I said, I would prefer to just kind of instead of trying to fight this thing going long, I prefer to be in short because I think the long ride is over. At least for right now. I think we see a pullback and then a move back down to support, and then we can possibly see a move back up. But I mean, with China tariffs at 12 o'clock, I mean, I doubt that we get any bullishness from that. I mean, I doubt it. China is the world's warehouse. Uh, if they're not producing our goods, then who's going to do it? You said so. How long has it been since the bottom tracker? Mm, I just put it back up today since I'm back in a TradeOvate account. Usually my P&L is on the screen with NinjaTrader 8. That bottom one tracks if I'm in a TradeOvate account. But like I said, I might actually just start trading TradeOvate. Just buy TradeOvate accounts because during all this volatility, NinjaTrader 8 has been acting real suspect. Like it can't handle like the data. Like it breaks under all that pressure. But for whatever reason, TradeOvate has been holding strong. And my orders have been getting filled no matter how volatile or violent price hits my limit, it fills it. Yeah, I'm not gonna take this long. I'm gonna wait for the short. Actually, if this thing doesn't hit my limit before we end the stream, I'm just going to just come back tomorrow morning. I think what we probably might see is price actually might. We'll see what happens here at VWAP, man. We'll see what happens. I mean, I doubt it. But we'll see what happens. No, 8:30 Central Time. 8:30 Central. All right, we got a VWAP touch. I don't know if that means anything, but it touched VWAP. Hmm. I mean, I don't think this goes along here though. Like I said, 990 or something like that potentially. 995, probably like 975. Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Hmm. Hmm. I mean, if we do see a pop, I mean, let's see. And if we do see a pop, I don't think this is a good spot to go long. Basically, or not basically, mainly because of the structure right now. I mean, if the bulls were to buy this, where would they go? I mean, you got a block of supply right here. Now, obviously, if they do pop back up, the bears are going to sell it. Somebody said my shorts wouldn't work. I wonder who that person is. Someone said my shorts wouldn't work. I wonder who that person is. Yeah, Logan, I go, man. Mm, mm. Mm. All right, so let's see if I can get filled here. Let's see if this thing would just stop playing and just fill me. I mean, this thing just did hit 990. That was a level I was looking for, but I think it wants to probably go lower and probably come back into this area where it broke structure to the upside. I'm gonna make that bet. I'm gonna make that bet. I mean, I guess it could potentially even go lower than that. 29, huh? At that point, I mean, I would have to. I'm willing to buy like one more, and that's it. Like, and then after that, if you fuck up, then you're gonna have to wait. Yeah, because I'll be like, what? Let me see how much that is. That's not. Ooh. Damn. Damn it. Damn it. Hmm. Damn. I should have stayed 990. Damn. I should have stuck with 990. I should have stuck with it. Oh, damn. Mm, okay. All right, guys. That's it for me. That's it for me. I'm going to bed. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll definitely look for more ways to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good night.